Welcome to Naked Forex, the powerful and effective trading strategy that's taking the financial world by storm. In this presentation, we'll explore the key concepts of Naked Forex and show you how to apply them to your own trading practices. Our presenter today is a seasoned trader with years of experience in the industry. They've used Naked Forex to great success and are eager to share their knowledge with you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about one of the most exciting approaches to trading out there. Naked Forex is a trading strategy that involves making decisions based solely on price action, without any indicators or other technical analysis tools. This approach allows traders to see the market as it truly is, without any distractions or biases. By focusing on raw price data, traders can identify trends and patterns that would be obscured by more complex analysis techniques. One of the key advantages of Naked Forex is its simplicity. Because it doesn't rely on indicators or other tools, it can be used by traders of all skill levels. Additionally, Naked Forex is highly adaptable, allowing traders to adjust their strategies to changing market conditions. By mastering the basic principles of Naked Forex, traders can gain a deeper understanding of the market and make more informed decisions. One of the biggest benefits of Naked Forex is its ability to increase trading accuracy. By focusing solely on price action and market structure, traders can eliminate the noise and confusion that often comes with using indicators or other technical analysis tools. This leads to more precise entries and exits, which in turn can improve overall profitability. Another advantage of Naked Forex is its ability to reduce risk. Because the strategy relies on objective analysis of price movement, rather than subjective interpretations of indicators or other metrics, traders can avoid many of the false signals and whipsaws that can occur with other approaches. This can help minimize losses and protect capital over the long term. Price action analysis is a key technique used in Naked Forex trading. This involves analyzing the movement of prices on a chart without relying on indicators or other technical tools. By understanding price patterns and trends, traders can make informed decisions about when to enter or exit trades. Another important technique is identifying support and resistance levels. These are areas on a chart where the price has historically struggled to move beyond resistance or has found support. By understanding these levels, traders can identify potential entry and exit points for their trades. One of the most common pitfalls when using Naked Forex is overtrading. This happens when traders enter too many positions at once, without considering the risk involved. Overtrading can lead to losses and should be avoided by setting clear entry and exit points, as well as limiting the number of trades per day or week. Another pitfall to avoid is trading based on emotions rather than logic. Fear, greed, and hope are all emotions that can cloud judgment and lead to poor decision-making. Traders should develop a disciplined approach to trading, sticking to their strategy and avoiding impulsive actions. In conclusion, Naked Forex is a powerful and effective trading strategy that can help traders increase accuracy and reduce risk. By focusing on price action analysis and support and resistance levels, traders can gain a deeper understanding of market trends and make more informed decisions. While there are common pitfalls to avoid, such as overtrading and failing to set proper stop-loss orders, with practice and discipline, traders can successfully implement Naked Forex into their trading practices. It is important for traders to continue learning and refining their skills in order to stay ahead of the curve and achieve long-term success. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.